candy center cookies.
Ooh.
No need to wait any longer. Let's get into the video. So gracing us with her presence once again is the lovely Miss Brianna.
Hey.
And her partner in crime, Miss Rayjana.
Hey.
Okay, so for this recipe, you literally only need sugar cookie dough. We chose to use Jolly Rancher candies, but you can use whatever type of candy you want in your recipe. And we're just gonna jump right into it. So, like I told you guys in my last video, most of my videos, you know, I mix up the cookie dough, but you don't have to go through all that. Just purchase your own sugar cookie dough that's already prepared. All right, so I'm just gonna open up this sugar cookie dough. That wasn't supposed to happen.
If that was like going upwards.
All right, so ladies, I need you to put flour onto your cutting boards. Big old handful. There you go. Sprinkle it. Get you a handful. There. Well, your hand's a little bigger than hers. And rub it all around your cutting board. There you go. See what y'all are doing? Just rub it all around your cutting board. All right. Ready? I'm gonna pass you your dough. Just kind of. Oh!
You break it apart.
I did.
What?
All right. Auntie just can't get it together today, huh?
Rub it on my hands.
Yep. You've been watching, huh? There you go.
We
Sprinkle you a little. I already mixed it up for you, baby. So all you have to do is just press it down.
Okay, then.
Now sprinkle you some flour on top of that before you put your rolling pin to it. You ready? Whoop. I can't get it together. What is wrong? I have butterfingers today. What in the world? You ready for it? You ready for it? You ready? All right. Let me put it in a bowl for you. Now. Okay.
I can
Put
roll
you
it.
some flour. Oh, I gotta put you some flour first, baby. Now just take your rolling pin and get the rolling, baby. Up. Take your time so it don't slide off. There you go. There you go. Put you a little bit more flour. Good job. You can put you a little bit more flour.
Okay.
Now press it down. Woo, that's hard, ain't it, girl?
It's all hard.
Yeah. It's a little bit hard to roll when it comes straight out the refrigerator, but you don't want it to not be refrigerated because then it's going to be too soft. So you kind of have to just deal with it the way it is. All right. Don't mix it up, Jonna. Just roll it out, baby. Let's see. Could it be? Yep, you're good, Bree. Give me 1 second. I'm going to help you cut up your hearts. Yep, just keep it flat.
Then put the heart on it.
Wait a minute, baby. Wait for me, Bree. I'm
I
coming.
think it's on the
Okay,
heart.
that's good. All right, let me take your heart. You can go ahead and take your biggest cookie cutter. You can take the big heart. There you go. So we have a big heart-shaped cookie cutter, and then show them your small one. And then we have a small heart-shaped cookie cutter because that's gonna be our center that we're gonna cut out. Wait a minute, let me get it. That we're gonna cut out so that we can put our candy in the middle. Okay, so let's make this into a ball again. Spread it out for me a little bit, baby. You got it? We're gonna use that last. Just use your big one for right now and cut you out some hearts. Cut out a couple hearts. Okay, that's good. Alright. So we're just gonna get all of these hearts cut out, and then we're gonna show you what we're gonna do next to get our candy in the middle. So the next thing we're gonna do is really simple. We're gonna take the smallest heart cookie cutter, and we're gonna take that and we're gonna put our heart shape in the middle. That heart shape, you're just gonna take that middle part. I have to just put it right in the middle and press it down. Okay. And be careful so you don't mess up your heart shape. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, do this one. Good job. And one more. Right here. There we go. All right. Now breathe. Take your small. Is that your small one? Okay. Take your time. Wait a minute. Take your time. Just make sure it's in the middle. Now press it down. There you go. Okay. Let me pull it out for you because I have the nails, so it's a little bit easier for me to grab it. Okay. Jonna, are you over there eating cookie dough? These kids, you was faking. So as you can see, all we did was take our smaller heart-shaped cookie cutters and then cut heart shapes in the middle, which created holes. So now we're just gonna take our Jolly Rancher candies. Now, we chose to mainly use red and pink for Valentine's Day, of course. But, I mean, because blue is like the best flavor ever, right? We had to throw in some blue ones somewhere. I'm sorry, we couldn't pass up the chance. Okay, ladies, just put two in the middle of, over here, Bree. You're gonna put them in here. So for the big ones, we're gonna put two. Let me show you something really cool we can do. We can put one color on this side and one color on that side. So when it melts, it'll be two colors. How cool is that? Okay, so for the small ones, you only need one piece of candy. For the big ones, you need two. So for the small one, just pick one. Bree, turn. Small ones, you need one. Put it in the middle. You have to put it in the middle of it so it melts all the way through. Your turn. Red, blue, and pink. Okay. And then your turn. You have to put right here. The small one only gets one. There we go. Okay, we only have two more left. So how about we do a red and a pink one? That'll be cool.
Is that would just be?
Yeah. We ran out of candy, so we have one that doesn't have any candy in the middle, but that's okay. We got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We got 6 cookies out of it. And like I said, you know, you can use the whole bag of Jolly Ranchers, but because we're trying to promote Valentine's Day, we specifically wanted to use just the red and the pink ones, and we threw in the blue ones, so that made us only have a few pieces, you know, of candy. But if you're making a whole batch of these, just go ahead and use the whole bag of candy. That's just fine. Okay, so as you can see, all we did was put the candy in the middle of it. So we're gonna just pop these in the oven at 350. Our oven has already been preheated, 10 to 12 minutes, and then we're gonna be back and show you how it turned out. All right, guys, we're back, and we have, I know you guys are so excited to see how these cookies turned out. So as you can see, they've been baked and cooled, and look at how cute that is. Little hearts for my hearts. Too corny? Okay.
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, so that's how they turned out. They turned out really cute. Taking a step further, you guys know we have to always add a little bit more. So you might remember these from my previous video. We're gonna take these color mist sprays, and they're just gonna spray them to make it look just a little bit more colorful in Valentine's Day. So I decided to go extra step and just cut up some little piece of paper so that they can cover up the candy part, so that when they spray the cookie, they don't spray the candy center, if you get what I'm saying, because then that's just gonna be red, and then that's gonna be red, and then it's just gonna be too much red, and it just ain't gonna look right. You get what I'm saying? Okay, whatever. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so roll up your sleeves. And also, make sure, if you don't hear anything else I say in this video, do not bake these cookies without using parchment paper, okay? You must use parchment paper. If you just put these cookies in the cookies will be fine, but it's the candy that's gonna stick to your pan, and you will not get it off, okay? Trust me, I've had my fair share of experiences with that. So you have to use parchment paper to do this crap, or you will not get those cookies off of that pan. So if you go and try it without that parchment paper, don't blame it on me when your stuff don't turn out the way it's supposed to turn out, okay? Okay, y'all ready? Sleeves rolled up. Okay, so as I told you before, so they're just gonna put the little piece of paper in the middle just to keep from spraying the whole cookie. Hold it kind of far away a little bit, and just, you know, just take your time with it. It ain't no rush. It ain't no rush. You see what I'm saying? That's all they gonna do. Go ahead. Get to it. All right. So let's hold it. You got it? Put your finger up there. All right. There you go. There you go. I'm just gonna hold it back for you. You can spray it. Go ahead. You got it? Can you press it down? There you go. The struggle. You got it, boo. Go ahead. Press it. What is it? What's going on with it? I think it's this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's try again. There we go. Whoop. See? You got it. Don't spray it too close, or you're gonna just do it. Okay. Don't spray it too. Ugh. You can taste it when you get close to it. Don't spray it too close, or see you're gonna make them big old wet spots. That's why you're gonna kind of spray it far away. If not, you're just gonna wet up your cookie. Yeah, spray it and hold it back some. Ready? Do you want to do another pink one, or you want to do red? You want to do another pink? Let me give you a bigger piece of paper.
Okay.
All right.
I want to do pink.
Hold your head back a little bit. Okay. Okay. I'll finish it for you.
Okay. The pink.
All
Wait,
right.
red. Wait, no, pink.
Oh, no, red. Look at this. Now, how am I going to know what in the world that is? I'm going to look at that can and say, what's in there? Wait a minute. Where'd your cookie go? Oh, you slid it over. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I'll hold it down for you. Wait a minute, Bree. Whoop. Hold it away. Whoop. Hold a little bit further. Okay, go ahead.
It's over here.
Oh, woo, 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 woo. Show me how it turned out, guys. How pretty is that? So as you can see, it turned out pretty cool. Let me see if they can see it. It turned out pretty cool.
I did two colors on mine. When I was spraying it, I put red on
one side.
Yeah, and pink on the other side.
And that came out. As always, make sure you
like,
comment,
subscribe,
and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.